Today's date is October 16th, 2024, and I'm still continuing getting the shop up and running here. I'm going to look at this controller here today, but before I do that, I'm going to put, where's those lights? Anyway, I'm putting up some lights. Here it is. I'm going to put up this light so that they're going to be over the lathes. So I'm going to come off of this beam right here, and I cut these pipes so that I'll just bolt them underneath and then have the light attached to them, and that'll give us some good light here on the Maximat. And this Logan, I'm going to be doing putting a light over this Logan here as well. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing. That's final touches on being able to use our equipment. So I'll be back. Well, okay, I'm back. I'm not quite done with, I have to run the power and everything for these, but at least I have their standoffs up, and we'll be I'll be having those on a switch right over here. What I'm going to do, I'll probably come out of this box right here, out of the top of that, and I'll put the switch right here, and then it'll illuminate all the lathes. So this has its own light. This Ganesh has its own light. So the Maximat, the Logan, and the Clausing are going to be have their own lights. So that's with the whole place dark, and that's with all the lights on. So we're gradually getting there, almost done with the once I get the lights done, these are ready for service, although I've been using them, but we needed some lights. So that's what that's about. I'll be back. Today's date is October 18th, 2024, and I've been negligent on posting videos because we've been so busy. We're building a framework for our company, and it has to be pretty precise. It's going to be holding supervisory equipment and a bunch of other things. So this has taken precedence over my detonation work. So in the meantime, I'm getting these lights up and running. I got to straighten this out, and I got a light switch in now. So this is so I got the lights working here, and oops, we got some visitors, so I'm going to close this out.